Sometimes when Windows experiences problems, it can be because there's a problem with one of the Windows system files. The file might be corrupt, or it might be an outdated version. Well, Windows contains a built-in tool called the System File Checker that you can use to check all of your system files to make sure that they're all running the current version and that nothing is corrupt. So let's take a look at how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Start button. And from there, I'm going to go to the W section of the Start menu. I'll expand Windows System, and then I'm going to right-click on the command prompt, and go to More, and Run as Administrator. And this is going to open a command prompt window. I'll click Yes. So as you've probably already guessed, the System File Checker is a command line tool, and we run it by typing SFC for System File Checker. Now, there are various command line parameters that we can use with SFC, but the one that you'll typically want to use is scan now. So I'm just going to type SFC /scan now. And I'll press Enter. And you can see that the scanning process has begun. And as you can see, we got a message saying that Windows Resource Protection found some corrupt files and it successfully repaired them. So that's exactly what the System File Checker is designed to do. It's designed to look for any corrupt files or files that are running outdated versions and then repair them automatically as you run the System File Checker. So that's how you use the System File Checker.